Morning everyone, buenos dias. This is G. Trainer, your fitness trainer, your personal coach, bersama Nali. And you're watching Base Pure Impact. So guys, we're moving towards high impact workout routine with high intensity. And honestly, it is going to get tough but highly effective. If you're not able to do this workout routine, or if you're new to my channel, you can check out my previous videos where I've done from low impact, medium impact, elderly, and as well as for the beginners. Once you ace those workout routine, you can come back to this one and try it. So let's get started. We are done with today's high impact workout routine. It is tough but doable, and there are many high impact workout routines which are quite tougher and harder that we'll do in our next videos. So until then, please try it. Try doing at least 3 to 4 sets between 15 to 20 reps and keep 15 seconds of rest. So that's it guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Intentarlo por favor. I'm going to upload more videos soon. If you like this video, please share it. Please do subscribe it and click on the thumbs up as well as the bell icon. It will help you to get the latest videos notifications. So muchas gracias por mirar. Hasta la próxima. This is G. Trainer behind the lens Gyamcho T, Bhutia, and you're watching Base Pure Impact. Ciao.